helpful for teachers to create the content, uh, to guide students, and for the efficient mentoring also. So just a minute, I'm sharing my window. Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible, ma'am.
So today's topic is artificial intelligence tools for teachers, specifically for teachers. So I have collected many tools which are designed to create the content for teachers only, and we have a lot of usages, from assessment to the mentoring to the teaching content. Many things are there which are required on our part, and artificial intelligence tools helps us to create that. So let's start with a quote that AI won't replace teachers, but teachers who use AI will replace those who don't. So it is nowadays, it is very, very important to understand the essentiality, the requirement to grab these technological upgradations, to understand all the tools available in AI. And the first and foremost thing is we need to understand, we need to cater the need of uh, learning these things. We should cope up with the new generations. The students nowadays are very much fond of these things, and before you do that, they prepare and ready the content. So this is how we need to understand. These tools also helps us to create the content faster, to create the content efficiently, to remove the plaque, to create the more efficient resources for the students, for the efficient assessment also, to distribute the notes and materials. So many things are there, and the list is not ended, because nowadays we need to understand that faster the process, we are more prone to these things, and inculcate the things into our teaching processes. So let's start with the index. First thing is introduction to AI, which is the essential one, and benefit for educators, categories of tools, ethical concerns, future of AI in education. So let's talk about section A, which is introduction to AI in education. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to create the systems capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, problem solving, and decision making. Artificial intelligence consists of many sub branches like natural language processing, the game theory, and many more things. The expert systems, and heuristic search techniques. So many things are there which is essential in artificial intelligence for teachers. So AI in context of education. AI is AI is the changing education by making learning more personalized and efficient. It can help teachers to understand students' strength and weakness, suggest customized learning paths, and automate grading. You can there and then prepare the sheet and analyze it with the slow learners, with the fast learners, and analyze the performance of students after attempting for any particular quiz given to them. AI tools like chatbots and virtual tutors can answer questions at any point of time. making learning more accessible. The Stanford University uses AI-powered tool to analyze students' performance and improve course content. Not only Stanford University, but many universities, like in Finland also, many universities use these AI-powered tools for creating the content, for analyzing the students' performance, and for assessment purposes, and for giving the mentoring sessions, and even chatbots for resolving the doubts of students. Just a minute. What happened? Yes. So why should teachers care? We can understand the need of using, just a minute. We can understand the need of, I don't know whether the presentation is there or not. I don't know.
Yes, ma'am. The screen is visible, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So why should the teachers care? First thing is the personalized learning. So study material can be prepared as per the individual student's needs, helping slower learners catch up and allowing the advanced students to move ahead. And second thing is save time. So AI can automate repetitive tasks like grading, quizzes, tracking attendance, and analyzing the performance, giving teachers more time to focus on teaching and mentoring. And third thing is identifying the learning gaps. So AI tools can quickly spot where students are struggling, allowing teachers to step in with support early. And then engaging tools, AI-based apps, virtual tutors, and interactive content can make learning more fun and engaging for students. And then professional support. AI can also help teachers with lesson planning, resource suggestions, and even feedback on teachers' style. So all these things are essential for teachers. That's why teachers should take care of learning these tools. Now let's come to the section B, which is categories of AI tools for teachers. We have 6 different categories of AI tools for teachers. First thing is the content creation, assessment and feedback, communication and writing, personalization and support means mentoring, administration purposes, and analytics. So let's start with the first part, that is content creation tools. So in content creation tools, majorly we have 3 different tools available: the ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cloud. So ChatGPT developed by OpenAI, Gemini is created by Google, and Cloud by Anthropic are used to create the lesson plans, summaries, and quizzes. Although for quizzes we have many such tools are available, but with these tools we can also create the quizzes. All 3 are examples of how AI can support learning, productivity, and creativity in everyday task. Faculty members can create lesson plans and review these lesson plans as and when they finish one particular lecture. Summaries of different lectures can be prepared through these tools. And yes, the online quizzes helps. And even you can distribute these quizzes using these tools. You can create the classes and distribute the quizzes. You can get the marks and responses of students on these portals and analyze the marks with the results. And the second type of content creation AI tools are Slides AI, QueryPod, and Tome. So I have given the screenshot or the environment of these tools as well. So here you can see from text to slides in seconds with the AI presentation makers. Slides AI, QueryPod, and Tome are the tools designed to create AI generated slide decks. It helps you to create the presentation style deck, and even they propose 10 to 15 slides deck uh, with free of cost version of it. And with these tools, interactive presentations can be prepared. These tools support teachers for lecture preparation and delivery of lecture also. During the lecture delivery, it also provides you to interact with the students there and then with your slides AI section. And then we have the Canva AI. The Magic Write and text to image options are available in Canva AI. So Canva AI offers helpful tools like Magic Write, which helps teacher quickly create the lesson plans, worksheets, or announcements by just typing a few prompts. Text to image lets teachers turn ideas into visuals, like creating educational posters or illustrations. Canva also provided you with innovative images. Canva also provide you with the creative videos, and you can download it to create the presentations. You can merge the pictures from Canva AI to the slide AI and upload the images taken from Canva AI and download it to the slide AI. And after downloading and preparing the presentation, you can share it with ChatGPT and create a class with students. So you can mix and merge all the AI portals and have an interactive video with the students. Next is Eduate AI and TechMate AI. Eduate AI is the AI-powered tool designed to help teachers create lesson plans, quizzes, worksheets, and learning activities quickly. It supports the classroom planning and makes content generation easier and faster. TechMate AI is a smart assistant for teachers that offers AI tool for grading, feedback, content creation, and classroom management. TechMate AI also helps you to save times and enhance teaching efficiency in few clicks. It also helps you to create your class there. At the time of grading, you can share the grades with the students to let them know what is the performance of current test. It also helps you to share the content with the parents by creating the class of parents. Just yes. Now let's come to the next section, that is assessment and feedback tools. Although in the previous sections also all the AI tools facilitates you to have the assessment, to have the feedback also. But now we are talking about the AI tools that are specifically designed for assessment and feedbacks. First is the grade scope. With features like AI assisted grading, rubrics, and detailed analytics, Grade Scope allows educators to provide consistent and timely feedback to students. Here you can see in the Grade Scope window, the exams, the homework, the code, many things are there whenever you need to sign for the Grade Scope. You can deliver and grade your assessment at anywhere. For example, in the evening, if you have given the assignment to the students, and given the time of 2 hours to perform that particular assignment, we can upload the content on the Grade Scope portal itself, and you can give the assessment by the end of day. It also facilitates the collaborative grading. For example, you have given a, an assignment to the team of 4 or 5 and ask them to finish it within 2 hours. And it helps to maintain the academic integrity, making it a valuable tool for enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of teaching and assessment. Then we have the zip grade and Akindi. So ZipGrade allows teachers to scan answer sheets using the smartphone, providing instant results and analytics. All the questions, all the MCQ type questions where the answers are marked in OMR sheet, faculty members immediately can scan the sheet and get the assessment. And even analysis is also given. Akindi works similarly, integrating with learning management system, offering the streamlined grading experience through printed or online bubble sheets. Even though if we are having the uh, subjective type of question paper or subjective types of answer sheets are given, these tools helps us to scan the answers and get the analysis on the basis of percentage of correction of the sheet. For example, if a student has written the subjective type of answer, on the basis of the the uh, the marking scheme uploaded on the particular platform, it analyzes the answer of the student and given the percentage of correctness. Okay. So both the tools reduce grading time significantly and improve assessment efficiency in the classrooms. And next assessment tool is the formative or Socrative or quizzes AI. Like I have earlier said, that we can create the quizzes from the content creation tools also, but now here the quizzes AI is specifically designed for creating the quiz, finding the answers, matching the answers with the students' responses, and give the analytics of the whole class. You can find out the slow learners from the assessment. You can find out the advanced learner from the assessment. And further, for the slow learners and advanced learners, you can create a new quiz using quizzes itself. And here, after uploading the new assignment for slow learners and fast learners, you can analyze whether these students are improving after getting the new quiz or not. So formative allows teachers to create interactive assignment and get instant feedback on students' understanding. Socrative supports quick quizzes, exit tickets, and polls, providing immediate insight into student learning. After attempting the examination, student can immediately respond and give feedback how the quiz was. The quizzes AI enhances the quiz experience with gamified learning and AI powered question generations, making assessment more engaging and personalized. You can upload the syllabus of your subject, and quizzes will automatically create the AI powered questions from that particular content. And now let's come to the next section, that is section E, communication and writing tools. Now, in communication and writing, the first thing is Grammarly. We have earlier used also with before AI comes into picture. We have already used Grammarly. Quillbot is also there, and Hemingway. So all these portals inculcate AI tools and response on the basis of the need of the user. Grammarly checks grammar, spelling, style, while offering real-time suggestions for the improvement. It all even analyzes the mood of writer. It even analyzes the way of writing a particular mail or a particular text. So Quillbot is a paraphrasing tool that helps rewrite content with a better clarity and variety. To prepare the content, for example, a faculty member has already created the content, uploaded the content on Quillbot. Quillbot will rephrase the whole content and simplifies the content as per the need of an hour, or we should say whatever the student understands more. Hemingway focuses on readability, highlighting the complex sentences and passive voice to encourage the concise and impactful writing. So the readability of the content is the most important part of Hemingway. Whenever a particular faculty member is writing its content or the notes in a particular way, it may or may not be difficult to understand by the student. So Hemingway always simplifies the things for the students. You can rewrite, you can recreate the content as per the need of the slow learners. And next content is the Otter AI and Fireflies.ai. Otter.ai provides the real-time transcription, speaker identification, and searchable notes for meeting, lectures, and interviews. I hope you all have already understood that text to speech and speech to text is already available. Real-time conversion of text to speech and speech to text is already there in all these portals. Here, Otter.ai portal I have given in the screenshot. So never take meeting notes again. You don't need to write down the notes. It will automatically convert all the notes, whatever the speakers is talking about, and whatever the speech is about, it will create the notes there and then. It will create the transcript also, automate the summaries. For example, after these transcript, you need the summaries of the lecture. It will automate the summaries, action items, and chat with Otter.ai. So you can understand all the things which are actually useful while listening to the content from the online lecture. You can always have the Otter.ai tools. And Fireflies.ai integrates with video conferencing platforms to record, transcribe, and summarize meetings automatically. The same which are there in Otter.ai. Both tools save time, transcribe lectures and meetings, and create summaries and searchable contents. So both the portals are having facilities that you can convert the online lectures into the text, right? Next is the AI email assistants. ChatGPT and Gmail AI are available, which helps the user to write the mail, to understand the purpose behind writing the mail, So all these things, for all these things, AI email assistants are there. AI email assistants are the smart tool that helps manage and streamline email communication. They can draft, summarize, and reply to emails using natural language, saving time and effort. And even you may have seen earlier in Gmail also that if you have written, please find attached so and so file, and you have not attached it, it will remind you that you have not attached any file. So these are some of the tools required for the real time purpose. So many assistants also organizes inboxes, prioritize messages, and schedule follow-ups. For example, you have in a particular mail you have written, let's have a meeting on this. These AI tools remind you that you have already written in the mail that let's have a meeting. So there should be a meeting in near future, and even with using the calendar, you can set the reminders of having that meeting. By automating the routine task, AI email assistant boosts productivity and ensure the timely professional communication. It always reminds you that you need to answer this particular mail. This is an important mail. It always reminds you to mark, and it categorizes the different types of mails in different sections. Here in Gmail AI, you can see the editor's choice, work from everywhere, business essentials, apps to discover, built by Google, top charts, most popular and top rated categorization of your mails. Now let's come to the next section, that is, just a minute. Yes. Now let's come to the next section, that is section F. So tools for personalization and support. In this section, we are focusing more on the mentoring purposes and giving one-to-one assistance while teaching to any particular student. For example, one or two student has many questions or doubts related to some concept or content. So you can give them a personalized uh, mentoring of about that particular section or topic. So Khanmigo is one of the tool available for personalization by Khan Academy. Khanmigo helps learners with step-by-step guidance in subjects like maths, science, writing, while encouraging the critical thinking. At any point of time, if student think about something, it can ask the tutor or trainer uh, about that doubt. And faculty member will get the notification about that particular doubt, and they can ask, they can give their answer on that portal, and then student will get the notification about the doubt, answer of the particular doubt, and they'll get the answer. This is the personalization. It is an automated chatbot, or we should say not an automated, but a chatbot kind of thing. So this is how a personal support can be given to the students. For teachers, Khanmigo offers tools to track students' progress and personalize learning experiences. It is designed to make education more interactive, supportive, and accessible. Now, the next thing is Quarium or Century Tech. So Quarium and Century Tech are the portals required for the personal learning and skill development of students. Querium and Century Tech are AI-driven educational platforms focused on personalized learning and skill development. Querium offers step-by-step tutoring in STEM subject using AI to guide students through problem solving and prepare them for college level exams. Like in the higher education also, if students are preparing for competitive examinations, these tools helps the faculty members to prepare the problem solving uh, questions, and even some competitive level of questions, yeah, higher order assignments, to understand the or to differentiate between the fast learners and the regular student. Century Tech combines AI with cognitive neuroscience to deliver the adaptive learning path, helping students and teachers identify the strengths and addresses the learning gaps. Whenever a teacher understands the strengths of their students, they can prepare the new problem solving questions or higher order questions or higher order assignments on the basis of their strengths. For example, some students are very good in logic, some students are very good in grabbing the things faster, some students are very good in writing the answer, or answer framing patterns are very good. So based on the strength of students, the teachers can identify the strength and they can give the personalized assignment to the students. And next is the AI chatbots, Ada, Maya, and BotPress. So I have given the screenshot of BotPress, where the platforms, the solution, the sources, the docs, and pricing are given. So the complete AI agent platform is there. So this is the difference between an agent and an application. So AI application can be involved and in and understand the purpose of creating that, but agents is self generated and self learning content is inbuilt into the AI agents. So AI chatbot like Ada, Maya, and BotPress are powerful tools for automating customer support and engagement. Ada specializes in no-code chatbot creation, right? Enabling the business to deploy AI-driven conversations quickly. Maya offers the flexible platform for building complex bots that integrate with the various systems and APIs. And BotPress is an open source chatbot framework that allows the developer to create highly customizable and conversational AI experiences. These are not the simple chatbot that have the predefined text to answer your queries. These AI agents are self generated and they understand what you want to say. They analyze your questions, they analyze your content, and then answer accordingly. So these AI agents also understands which user is going to converse with these AI agents or these chatbots, and on the basis of a particular user they give the answers. For example, I have visited that particular bot press once, and I've asked to prepare some problem solving assignments. Now, the real time uh, chat or the real time question or the query or the prompt I have given to the bot press, it will work accordingly. And after that, whenever I'll ask again, it will give me the answer according to my previous query given. So this is how BotPress works. And now let's come to the section that is Tools for administration purposes. As we teachers, we also need some administrative and many administrative works during the session. So it helps us to work for the administration purposes as well. The first two tools I've given is the timely and clockwise. So they are based on these tools are based on agile methodology. In agile development methodology, we divide and categorize the things into different patterns and different sections. And on the basis of timely or time-wise categorization of task, we divide the task into my teammates to my teammates, and they will respond and they'll complete the work uh, or the task given to them, and the response will be shown to me on a particular uh, portal. So timely and clockwise helps teachers and students to manage their time more efficiently. So if we're talking about the teacher student content, for example, I have given a task to my 5 student group, and I have given the task on clockwise, and it's a time based assignment or the project. And after 1 week they need to respond on that particular given task. And if the student respond with time, the assessment will be based on that only. And if they delay with their work, or something left after the time also, then the assessment will be accordingly on the basis of their submission. So timely tracks how time is spent on various educational tasks, promoting better planning. For example, 100% task is given. So 1/5 of week should be devoted to the 20% task, obviously. And this is how we should divide the task, and how we should uh, give the task to the student. Promoting better planning and productivity. Clockwise optimizes calendars by intelligently scheduling classes, meetings, and study sessions to maximize the focus time. You can set even you can set the reminders on clockwise. You can give the reminders to the students. You can give the notification to the students that this is the time given for your particular task. You need to finish it by this time. So it always helps the students as well as teachers to optimize the given task. And next is the Notion AI and Google Docs AI. So Notion AI helps students and teachers generate content, summarize notes, and organize information more efficiently within the flexible workspace. So it is a content creation tool also. You can summarize the notes as we have already discussed. You can organize the information more efficiently, and even you can assess it. And even personalized approach is also given. So Google Docs AI offers smart suggestion for grammar, style, and clarity, making writing and editing faster and more accurate. Both tools foster creativity and productivity in learning environment. So Notion AI is more in usage right now, and Google Docs AI, we are using it from the very long time, but AI version of Google Docs is uh, nowadays in picture. Now let's talk about the section H, which is analytics tools. So first, learning analytics tool is Canvas AI and Moodle AI. Moodle AI, I think in many higher educations we are using. So Canvas AI and Moodle AI are the learning management systems enhanced with artificial intelligence to support personalized and efficient education. Canvas uses data insights to recommend resources, track student progress, and assist instructors in the course management. So a kind of agility is there. You can manage your course content. You can plan your content delivery also. You can plan, or you can plan your content delivery in 45 lectures, for example, in a session. And on the basis of these 45 lectures, after each and every lecture, you can give the assignment to the student. And with this, you can check how your students are progressing day by day. And after analyzing the students' progress, you can regenerate your resources. And even you can divide the class into two different or three different sections: the average students, the slow learners, and the fast learners. So Canvas AI facilitates you with this, and Moodle AI integrates intelligent features like adaptive learning path, automated grading, and engagement analytics. And next is the Turnitin with AI detection. So Turnitin, we all know, it is used for checking the plague reports. You can also have the AI plague of a particular text. The non-AI and AI plague reports are differentiated nowadays with Turnitin with AI. Turnitin is widely used plagiarism detection tool, integrates AI to enhance the academic integrity in the education. By utilizing machine learning algorithm, Turnitin can detect not only copied contents, but also identify paraphrased text and improper citations. If a user or a researcher or an educator has copied all the things from a particular AI tool, for example, ChatGPT, and paraphrased it with Notion AI, so it will detect that also. Improper citation always helps the AI tool to understand that this particular content is copied as well as paraphrased. This AI driven technology helps educators maintain originality of students' work. Nowadays, we have understood that students are preparing assignment for using the chat GPT. So you can check the originality of the content using Turnitin, while also providing the feedback for the improvement. So if the content is paraphrased again after giving the AI plagiarism report, it can again check and give the feedback of improvement. So let's talk about the ethical concerns of using AI tools in education. First and foremost thing is privacy in data security, privacy and data security. So AI systems often require access to vast amount of students' data. It can raise privacy issues if not properly secured, leading to potential misuse or unauthorized access. And next is a bias and fairness. So AI algorithms can be unintentionally perpetuate biases present in the training data, leading to unfair outcome of certain group of students based on race, gender, socioeconomic status, and learning differences. And third is the teacher and student dependency. Over reliance on AI tools can reduce critical thinking and problem solving skills to students, while it also diminishing the role of teachers in guiding the learning process. For example, I want to guide a student in a different way, but I'm using the AI tool, so it limits me to select either of the method. And it is always good to have a personalized approach rather than using these tools. So access and inequality can also be there. Not all students have equal access to AI powered education resources. So there can be a gap between privileged and undeserved communities. So these are some of the ethical concerns, and we can we can bridge this gap with both the types of approaches: the personalized approach, the traditional method of teaching and learning, along with these using these AI tools. Yes, these AI tools helps the faculty members or the teachers to create the content faster, to assess the work faster. Many things are there, but the traditional teaching learning methods, the traditional mentoring while teaching is more important along with these things. Now, what is the future of AI in higher education? How we can understand uh, what will be the future of AI? The intelligent tutoring system is available, but we cannot deny the personalized approach using uh, methodology, the traditional methodology we are already using. VR and AI, the virtual reality and AI can be a part of future of AI. So virtual reality means we are getting into the environment we are looking. So this is how the virtual reality exists. You can feel yourself inside the atom, the molecules, the electrons are uh, you can feel all the electrons there and then, and along with the AI tools or AI knowledge given with the content. So VR plus AI will help students to learn things faster because they are having the personalized approach and environment given there. And lifelong AI learning assistance can also be provided if considered the future of AI. So, for example, I'm thinking about something else. The recommender system helps me to find out that particular thing. So, lifelong assistance can be given in as a future of AI. So, all these things are understood, well understood. So, let's understand the key takeaway of the whole content discussed here. Firstly, we have understood what is AI. That is a branch of the branch of science that is very close to the human approach. The reasoning capabilities are also there. The human like understanding is also there, and how AI is beneficial for the educators. Why an educator need AI tools is given. We have discussed about six different categories of tools: the content creation tools, the assessment and feedback tools, the communication and writing tools, the personalization and support tools, the administration and analytics tools. All these tools even are having the merge and submerge of each other. For example, the content creation tool always have the communication and writing tools, and the content creation tool always have the assessment and feedback tools. The personalization and support tools have the AI bots that helps the students to give the feedback, and you can evaluate the assessment also. The analytics tools always helps the administration people or educators in administration to analyze the students approach and even the faculty members approach. So all these tools are having menu items, or we should say the content related to each other. So as in teaching learning process, if we are using one particular AI tool, we are also having the benefit of other tool. But the more focus should be given on, and more focus is given on, the content creation or assessment and feedback, or communication and writing, and personalization and support, administration and analytics. So these are the things. So demonstration I have not added, but I have given the demonstration in each and every slide using the screenshots. You can go to any of these websites, and even free of cost are also there. The premium versions are also there. You can log into these tools and contents, and see the environment given to you. You can utilize any of these tools with your class students for the feedbacks, for the content creation, for writing purposes, for mentoring the students, etc. And we have also understood the ethics and challenges associated with using these tools. So this is all about the AI tools for education from my side. If you have any question or anything to ask for, you're welcome.